Alright, to do this spot at home, you are going to need some dirt and some water. That's it. You can dig the dirt from outside. Just find that area that's kind of clean. You don't want a whole lot of grass or plants in this. So if you dig down a little bit, you don't need much. You need about half of what I have there. You're only going to do one sample, whereas students in class are doing 3, because I understand that it's kind of difficult to go and find different types of dirt. If you can steal something like out of a planter, if you have a bag of potting soil somewhere, you are more than welcome to do more than one. I'm not going to hold you to it. So, on the back, you're just going to have one sample number 1, and you're going to describe the appearance of your dirt when it's moist. So if you feel your dirt and it's really dry, you're just going to add a little bit of water to it until it kind of clumps together. You're going to describe exactly what it looks like, so talk about color, texture, anything that you see, like a lot of organic matter. In this one I have a lot of pieces of wood. After that, you're going to use this classification chart on the back of your lab, or you might all be online. And you're just going to go down the flow chart to figure out what you have. So I'm going to start. It says to place approximately 25 grams of soil in my palm and add some water dropwise and knead the soil to break down pretty much all the organic matter, little stuff in there that's clumping together. Soil is at the proper consistency when plastic and moldable, like moist putty. So I am just moving around my hands until I get something that's easy to work with. After that, I'm going to squeeze it into a ball. And so it says it remains into a ball when squeezed. I have a ball there, so my answer is going to be yes. Then I'm going to place the ball between my thumb and forefinger and gently push up to see if it makes a ribbon. You see how that's kind of sticking out there? That's making a ribbon. So my answer to that one is going to be yes, it makes a ribbon. So I'm going to go down to where it's looking at the size. You didn't guesstimate this. It's asking if it was a weak ribbon, less than 2.5 centimeters or a little bit longer. This is about a medium size. So since my ribbon was medium size, I'm going to go straight down the center of this. I then want to excessively wet a little bit of the soil, so I'm just going to get some water on my hands with the soil. And I'm going to rub it between. And right now I'm looking to see how gritty it feels. Does it feel gritty or smooth? I need a little bit more because I have a lot of organic matter there. So I feel some grit, but it also is sliding very easily. So that would be neither grittiness nor smoothness predominates. And that finally gets me to my answer. The type of soil I have here is clay loam. Now flip this back over, go to my soil classification, and write clay loam right there. My reasoning, I'm going to describe what steps I took to the chart. You don't have to do every step, but I can say that I formed a medium-sized ribbon, and when I tested the texture, it was neither coarse nor silky. And that's all you have to do for this.